Hi, I'm Scott from Team McKinley. Today I'm going to show you how to pack your backpack like a pro. Nature has gifted animals with the most incredible transporting capabilities. Bees, for example, they have special pockets in their legs in which they carry the pollen to their nest. The dung beetle rolls its food up into a ball, and to move it forward, they literally dance on top of it. And now let me show you how to carry your load in the backpack. The lower compartment is suitable for light items like spare clothing or your sleeping bag. In the main compartment, there is room for cooking materials and personal stuff. Heavy items ideally should be positioned so that they sit close to the back and at shoulder level. Keys, wallet, passport belong in the document pouch in the lid compartment. Frequently used items like your compass or map and other things you need close at hand are kept in the upper part of the lid compartment, drinking bottles in the outer pockets. And this is always in my pocket. If you pack things properly, no distance is too far for you. Have fun in the great outdoors. Until next time.